Hi guys, Songboy13 here, and I'm feeling a bit disappointed this week. Yes, why am I saying that? Because, well, last week's weather forecasts, I've been predicting that some places could get a lot of thunderstorms last week just gone, which included my area in the East Midlands, and no storms at all in my region. But not just that, very little rain. Until last night we had a shower, but yeah, very disappointed. Whilst other places, mainly across southern England, I'm sure there were a few other places further north, but southern England, pretty much everywhere, caught some big storms. So, had an unlucky week. And I'm actually feeling a little bit doubtful today because we've had a lot of chances last week and never happened. But I'm going to go through the forecast today because at the beginning of the week we continue the thunderstorm risk and the air will be quite humid, particularly the start of the week. The winds will be light, and then from the second half of the week it remains unsettled, but a different kind of unsettled wish weather. I'll mention that in just a sec. But let's focus on today. And today's weather, well, it's a bit of a grey day today. Not particularly cold. I only got a layer on. We've got a bit of drizzle, but the air's kind of humid. It's very close. Temperatures may get up to around 21 degrees Celsius today, but the forecast has stated that there is a chance. Eastern England's already getting some storms. I just checked on the UK lightning radar, but there is a chance we could see some pretty heavy thunderstorms breaking out almost anywhere into the afternoon, most likely to be affecting northern and central areas, some in southern areas, but mostly primarily in the southern central region. So temperatures, like I said, 21 degrees Celsius. There is a risk of thunderstorms. I'm a little bit doubtful. I doubt we'll get any, but you never know. But the rainfall chance today, or chance of thunderstorms I should say, actually quite high. It's around 70%. And because we're well in the centre of low pressure overnight, those showers and thunderstorms actually will be very slow to ease overnight. May do so by the very end of the night, but for most places it could be a bit of a washout tonight. So a lot of rain, flooding is possible in a short space of time, a lot of lightning as well. Winds are light as well, I forgot to mention, so they will be moving very slowly if you do catch them, and temperatures no colder than 16 degrees Celsius, so another mild night. Tomorrow's weather for Monday, well, we're slap bang on the low pressure. Hopefully we might see, I doubt we're going to get any sunshine today, but there's a chance we may see some sunshine tomorrow. Even that's just going to immediately fuel up some heavy thunderstorms, some big ones in places. Again, not completely everywhere will catch them, they're very hit and miss, but if you do, again, winds will be light. You'll certainly know about it. It can last for quite some time. Temperatures may be up to around 22 degrees Celsius tomorrow, so feeling quite humid. The rainfall, or should I say chance of thunderstorms tomorrow, will be at around 60%. Tuesday, we're still in the low pressure system. Not much change with the weather by then. The wind's still light, still quite humid. Maybe the intensity of the thunderstorms may not be quite so severe on Tuesday, so maybe fewer storms. Still some thundery showers around, but possibly less intense, as you would hopefully be imagining. Some showers around as well, lighter showers, but also some sunshine. Temperatures again 22 degrees Celsius. Rainfall chance still pretty moderate, around 50%. But things will start to change a little bit by Wednesday. Low pressure is a different one. We're going to be getting from the Atlantic, which we haven't had for a few weeks. So some Atlantic fronts sweeping in. The wind's not going to be cold straight away. We're still going to get some warm southwesterly winds, but we're seeing more in the way of actual rain around. So on Wednesday, maybe more likely to have a dry start with actually some decent sunshine going downhill with the further spells for showers, also longer spells for rain. Winds slowly starting to pick up, nothing too windy at this stage, and still quite warm, 23 degrees on Wednesday, so if you're out from the rain, actually will be quite a pleasant day. Rainfall chance once again at around 50%. Thursday, very similar day. I think probably the warmest day of the week. We may get temperatures not too far from the mid-20s, but on Thursday again, plenty of sunny spells, showers breaking out. It will start to become quite a bit more windy, so at least on the plus side, if we do catch a shower, it won't last quite as long, or even a thunderstorm, let's say. So a pretty another unsettled showery day, possibly a few storms around. Temperatures 23, possibly 24 degrees Celsius if we keep the drier-ish weather on hold, and the rainfall chance once again at around 50%. By the time we get into Friday, we may possibly see there's a bit of uncertainty because there's always like that this time of the year with low pressure coming in, and then we don't know what weather systems will bring. So at the moment on Friday, it might be a dry start again. We may see some heavy rain sweeping in across the region by the end of the day. So more in the way of rain than showers by Friday. Temperatures 21 degrees Celsius and the rainfall chance at approaching 70%. there's a lot of uncertainty by the end of the week as always, and same into next Saturday. You know, maybe the rain clears away and then we'll see some dry weather, but still a few showers around. 40% chance of rain, temperatures 20 degrees Celsius, so it starts to become a little bit cooler, and it will be very windy at the end of the week as well. I forgot to mention that. We may get a yellow warning, which is quite unusual for this time of year, but having said that, we've had quite a few of these this summer, which is, you know, that's been a pretty unsettled season in a way in terms of wind. Into next week, well, the warmth and humidity may be gone by then. Well, it may still be humid, but it's not going to be anywhere near as warm next week. Temperatures may struggle on most days to reach 20 degrees Celsius, excluding the southeast. And again, it remains unsettled with rain or showers at times. There will be some sunshine, but there's no signs of a drier, warmer spell returning after this week, I'm afraid. So autumn may be coming in with a vengeance. Anyway, that's it for this week's weather, guys. There will be some videos coming out. The September 2020 outlook will be up this week. Maybe some storms on my channel. We'll see. I doubt it, but you never know. I could be wrong. And then also, I'm going to try and get a new intro out, as I plan to do so since I've reached 500 subs. And also, possibly a special video. Maybe later this week. But I'll give you more updates about it very soon. Alright guys, stay safe, have a great week if you can. Storm's now out.